Every day, millions of chocolate bars are produced inside factories like this. But how does a simple cocoa bean become the smooth chocolate we know and love? The journey begins with cocoa beans, harvested from cacao trees and transported to the factory. Before processing begins, the beans are cleaned and carefully sorted to remove unwanted material and defective beans. Next comes roasting. Heat transforms the beans, developing many of the rich aromas and flavors associated with chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cracked open. Their shells are separated, leaving behind the valuable cocoa nibs. The nibs are then ground. As their natural cocoa butter is released, they become a thick liquid called cocoa mass. Depending on the recipe, cocoa mass is combined with ingredients such as sugar, cocoa butter, and milk powder. The mixture is refined until the particles become extremely small, creating the smooth texture expected from finished chocolate. Then comes conching, a long mixing process that helps develop flavor and creates the smooth consistency of the chocolate. Before chocolate can become a bar, it must be tempered. Carefully controlled heating and cooling creates the structure responsible for its shine and satisfying snap. Now the liquid chocolate is ready for molding. Precise machines fill hundreds of molds every minute. The filled molds pass through a cooling tunnel, where the chocolate solidifies into its final shape. Before packaging, every bar must pass quality checks. Cameras and automated systems inspect the finished chocolate at incredible speed. Finally, the finished bars are wrapped, packed into boxes, and prepared for distribution. So the next time you unwrap a chocolate bar, remember the remarkable journey behind it. From a humble cocoa bean to a perfectly finished piece of chocolate.